Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dipanjan Biswas. I am a professional digital marketer and a blogger by profession. You can check my website link on the description provided below. So today I am going to tell you some benefits about Facebook marketing. So before going into the depth, I want to give you some numbers. The total number of internet users, Asia is having the highest number. It is about 49%, followed by Europe 16.8%, Africa 11%, and North America 8.2%, which is approximately 3.2 billion internet users, and most of them are on Facebook. So you can understand the opportunity Facebook marketing is having. So, what are these benefits? There are 11 benefits I am going to tell you about Facebook marketing today. The first point is Facebook is having a robust analytics. This platform is not having any limitations when it comes to reporting. It's having a variety of analytics and other metrics which measures the performance of an ad set. You don't have to guess or make your own assumption while determining the conversion rate or other social metrics. By seeing the data only, you will be able to make the necessary changes in the ad set for the better performance of the ad. The second feature of Facebook advertisement is micro targeting. This may be the best feature of Facebook advertisement. You can target your audience with the help of these ads. You can target your audience based on their demographics, behavior, their location, their age ranges, and even by their languages. You can even target the audience of your competitors. The targeting capability of Facebook ad is far better than any other traditional media. You can layer and combine your audience and even exclude those who doesn't fall on your target market. It is very important to size down your target audience. If you can't able to do that, you will lose lots of money on these ads. You can create ads according to your objective on Facebook. Creating an ad on Facebook is very simple. Facebook has provided a detailed step-by-step guidelines about how to create an ad from the beginning, how to target your audience, and even set a time frame and a budget. You can customize Facebook ads based on your exact accomplishment. Whether you want page likes, post engagements, website traffic, want more footfall on your store, or your requirement is something completely different, Facebook ad is capable of delivering your exact needs. Since the ad is customizable, you can have better control on your ads and you can create something which reflects your brand and target audience. The fourth point is about organic reach. If you are having a business page, then you might not be aware that only the tiniest fraction of your followers can be able to see your post. It might sound extreme, but it is completely true. Organic marketing on Facebook is a myth. If you are running a business page, you can't simply post your content on Facebook pages and expect to get organic reach. Over the past few years, Facebook is decreasing the visibility of business pages on its newsfeed, which is simply a frustrating algorithm for business owners. If you are going to use Facebook for marketing by any capacity, you must use Facebook ads to reach your potential customers and make them know about your business. You might not need a big budget, but you must need a budget to run ads on Facebook. Facebook ads can give you back a lot if you are able to target the right audience. The fifth benefit is the remarketing option of Facebook. Remarketing is one of the most ideal way to retarget your audience who have already interacted with your business but have not taken any action. The first time when they have seen your website or Facebook page, most probably they have not taken any action because they doesn't know you or they don't know about your business. It's a trust issue. This is the scenario where remarketing matters. In the future, when they will see your ad, the chances will be higher that they will take some action and will be converted to your customer. People have to see your brand at least 5 to 6 times before they come to a point when they will take some action. The eighth benefit is having a call to action button in your ad. Most of digital advertisements are having a call to action button, which will help you to guide your audience where you want them to be, like a website or a form. This is very effective as you are literally telling people about what to do and they are likely to do that. It sounds simple, but it totally depends on the performance of the ad creative. With the help of Facebook ads, users can visit to your website. But there are other call to action buttons also. like book now, apply now, contact us, download and learn more. The ninth benefit is people are always there on Facebook. Facebook is huge. Business owners simply can't ignore the importance of Facebook. Over 80% of internet users around the world are there on Facebook, and that's why your business needs a Facebook page. On an average, a person spends 2.5 hours daily on social media, and Facebook is definitely one of them. The 10th and the final benefit is to get customer loyalty through Facebook. A lot of businesses use Facebook pages to help their followers feel like they're part of the community. These pages help business to directly interact with their customers, build their brand image and improve customer loyalty. One of the benefits of Facebook marketing is that it gives businesses the opportunity to amplify the engagement with their audience. This will lead to more growth, higher retention rate and eventually more sales. Facebook ads may be cheap, but don't underestimate its power due to its price tag. It can take your business to a new height. But you have to learn the process. You have to invest your time and energy to learn about Facebook ads like any other business. No business reach its zenith at one night. It takes time. So, are you running any Facebook ads currently? What's your experience about it? Let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new contents.